All right, let's talk about OpenTelemetry, specifically how we can go from this just absolute mountain of raw data into a powerful visual story that actually tells you what's going on with your system's health. Let's dive in.
So you've done all the hard work, right? You've instrumented your services, you got the collector running, and data is pouring in. But this is exactly where so many teams just get stuck. You're staring at this fire hose of information, and you're just thinking, okay, now what do I actually do with all this?
And that's really the heart of the matter, isn't it? The real challenge isn't just grabbing the data anymore. It's about building a bridge from having tons of information to actually understanding what it all means. It's all about turning that noise into a clear, useful signal.
To do that, we need to bring in some specialists. So, meet the Observability Power Trio, Jaeger, Prometheus, and Grafana. You can kind of think of them as the A-team, designed specifically to cut through all that data chaos and bring some real order to your system's story.
Now, what's so cool here is that each of these tools has a really distinct, super important job. Jaeger, that's your detective. It's on the case, tracking the path of every single request. Then you've got Prometheus, which is like your system's doctor, constantly checking the vital signs, latency, error rates, CPU. And Grafana, well, that's your mission control. It's the one place that brings everything together into a single unified dashboard. And the secret sauce holding it all together is OpenTelemetry, because it provides that standardized data that all three of these tools can understand perfectly.
So how does this all actually hook up? How does a little piece of data get from a single line of code all the way to some beautiful chart on a dashboard? Let's follow that data on its journey.
It's really just a simple four-step process. First, the OpenTelemetry SDK, living right inside your application code, grabs that data at the source. Second, it shoots that data over to the collector, which is kind of like a central post office. It receives, sorts, and then ships the telemetry out. Third, the collector sends traces over to Jaeger and metrics over to Prometheus, where they get stored. And finally, Grafana queries both of those databases to build the visualizations you actually see. It's simple, but it's really, really powerful.
Okay, so we've covered the how. Now for the really fun part, the payoff. Let's shift our focus to how we can actually use these tools to answer those critical questions about our system's performance. This is where all that data finally becomes decisions.
We're going to start with distributed tracing. The best way to think about it is like tracking a single package going through a huge global shipping network. You can see every single stop it makes, how long it sat there, and you can see exactly where it got delayed or maybe even lost. That is precisely what Jaeger does for your requests, and it lets you pinpoint problems with just incredible precision.
So, the real power here is that you can ask these incredibly specific questions. You're not just guessing anymore. You can literally jump into Jaeger and say, hey, show me every request for the payment service that took longer than 1 second and ended in an error. And boom, just like that, you've found the needle in the haystack.
Now let's talk about Prometheus. If Jaeger is the detective working on individual cases, Prometheus is monitoring the health of the entire city. It's watching those vital signs, the overall pulse of your entire system through key metrics. And you talk to it using a language called PromQL. I know, it sounds a little intimidating, but it's actually really intuitive once you see it. For example, if your goal is just to see your current request traffic, the query is almost plain English. Just give me the rate of HTTP_requests total over the last 5 minutes. It's as simple as that. Okay, let's build on that with something even more useful. What if you want to calculate your current error rate? Well, the logic is just as clear. As you can see right in the query, you just take the rate of your errors and you divide it by the rate of your total requests. You're translating a direct business question into a simple query that Prometheus gets instantly. And finally, we get to Grafana. This is it. This is your command center, your mission control. It's the one place where those deep dive traces from Jaeger and the high-level health metrics from Prometheus all come together into a single, powerful, and totally coherent view.
And this is where the real magic happens. We're not just tracking random numbers for the fun of it. We're connecting technical metrics to real-world business impact. High latency in the checkout service? That's not just a tech problem. That is potential sales at risk. Payment gateway failures? That's a direct leak in your revenue. This is how you explain the importance of observability to anyone in the entire company.
But Grafana isn't just for sitting back and looking at pretty charts. It's also your proactive watchdog. The moment a metric crosses a critical threshold, like, say, latency spikes for more than 2 minutes, it can automatically fire off an alert to Slack or ping PagerDuty to wake up an engineer. It's all about getting out in front of problems before they get big.
Now, building this solid foundation of observability doesn't just solve today's problems. It actually paves the way for the next generation of automated operations, something we often call AI ops.
So what's the big promise here? Well, because your telemetry data from OpenTelemetry is so clean and well-structured, it becomes the perfect fuel for machine learning models. These models can start to do things like predict failures before they even happen, automate the whole root cause analysis process, and even trigger self-healing actions to fix issues without a human ever getting involved.
So to make sure you get this right, here are just a few key best practices to keep in mind. First, build your dashboards on a per-service basis. This gives teams clear ownership. Always correlate your traces and metrics to get the full story. And this is a big one. Include business metrics to show the real-world impact. And finally, use smart alerting to drive your SRE workflows so the right people get notified about real problems instead of just creating a bunch of noise.
And by following this path, you've actually done it. You've gone from being lost in a sea of confusing data to having a clear, actionable picture of your system's health. You now have end-to-end observability, and it's all powered by the open standard of OpenTelemetry.
So I'll just leave you with this one thought. Your system is constantly talking. It's sending out signals all the time about its health, its performance, and the experience it's giving your users. The only question is, are you ready to listen?